me here. Welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of the beautiful crew. We have lots of how-tos, reviews, we have vlogs, and information about Washington, D.C., my home. So if you're anything like me, you like to travel. But the only thing with that is that if you like to travel on a plane, that plane will hurt my ears for days. I'm like deaf for like 2 or 3 days afterwards. So for my last trip, I did some research and I discovered, well, I didn't really discover it, but I found these online, the EarPlanes. I found them on Amazon. So of course I was curious. I wanted to know if they would work, if they would provide me with any relief when I'm flying on a plane. So yeah, that's how they come. They come in a little packs like that. Sorry about my nail polish again, you guys. Every time I fix them, I don't do a video. And by the time I do a video, they're like done. But anyway, so this is what they come like. They come in a little pack like that, which is good for traveling. So they recommend that you do not use them for more than 2 flights because pollen, dust, and moisture will reduce its effectiveness. So that's what it says there on the back. And as far as instructions for use, it says before inserting, you have to pinch your nose and blow to clear your ears, you know, like that to clear your ears. And then for best results, always insert EarPlanes 1 hour before landing and remove after landing and when cabin door is opened. So chronic sufferers, which is probably what I am, so it says chronic sufferers may also insert EarPlanes just before takeoff. EarPlanes may be removed when the airplane reaches maximum altitude and reinserted 1 hour before landing. And for maximum results, use your opposite hand to pull the top of your ear upward, insert the ribbed end, and turn like a corkscrew until snug. So in other words, you're going to take this hand and work on this ear and pull it up and insert the EarPlane. And do the same on the other side. Use that hand and pull your ear up. All right, so I actually tried them. So let's get ready to take a look and see how well it works. All right, so here's another quick look at the box. This one came with 3 in a pack. I got them from Amazon. This is what it looks like there. A little case, comes in a case like that, which is great for travel. And you can see how flexible they are. So this is me on the plane. It was about an hour before landing and I have them in my ears already on both sides. And now we're getting closer to landing. It's about 30 minutes before landing. This is usually when my ears start killing me. So as you can see right there, I'm in a little bit of pain, but I'm not as bad as I usually am, because usually I'm clenching my fists, my teeth, everything else. For me, every little bit of help is great. So I would say they helped at about 48% for me, which is good because my ears did hurt upon landing, but it definitely was not as bad as it was when I was leaving, when I was reaching my destination. So I say it that I do believe that they did help at least about 48%. So I would use these again. I would also recommend that I bring my over-ear headphones. That way I can listen to my music while I'm on the plane, because when you have these in, you can't really have earbuds in. So that's that. Let me know, what do you try what do you use when you're flying? Do your ears hurt as bad as mine do? What do you do? Have you used this before? Let me know everything in the comments. I'm looking for some help. So if you have something better, or if you've tried these, let me know. All right, so again, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and continue to live beautifully. Bye everyone.